In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Agoda Booking ID 2026 on a full guide. If you need your booking ID for check-in changes or simply to keep records straight, here's the most reliable way to find it on Agoda. Start by signing into your Agoda account using the same login you used when you made the reservation. This ensures you'll see the correct trips tied to your profile. Once you're on the site and logged in, go to the top right corner and click the profile icon. From the small menu that opens, select Profile. This takes you to your account area where all your travel details live. On the profile page, look for My Trips and open it. To get a complete view of every reservation associated with your account, choose All Bookings. This is helpful if you've made multiple reservations or stayed at different properties over time because it puts everything in one place. Next, select the trip you're interested in. Opening the trip details will display the booking ID, typically alongside the hotel name, dates, and guest information. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right stay, especially if you've booked more than once at the same property. The booking ID is the reference number hotels and Agoda use to identify your reservation. If you have many reservations, use the status filters to narrow down your list. You can switch between upcoming, completed, or canceled depending on what you're trying to find. This makes it much quicker to spot the booking you need without scrolling through everything. If you don't see the reservation in your account, check your email inbox as a backup. Search for Agoda Hotel Booking Confirmation or type the hotel's name. Agoda sends a confirmation email that includes your booking ID and an attached voucher, usually within about 30 minutes of booking. If you just booked, give it a little time, then refresh your inbox. It's also a good idea to check spam or promotions folders and make sure you're searching the same email address you used at checkout. When you open the confirmation email, you'll see the booking ID clearly listed, and the voucher will contain the same reference. Keep that voucher handy when you travel. That's all you need. Sign in, head to your profile, open My Trips, view all bookings, select the relevant trip, and use the status filters if necessary. Or search your email for the confirmation if you prefer. Keep your booking ID private and store it somewhere secure, and you'll always be ready for a smooth check-in.